Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix iPhone call recording not working iOS 18. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into settings. Now go into general. Over here go into software updates. So to get the option of iPhone call recording, you need to be at least on the version 18.1. So over here you'll see an option for iOS 18.1 beta 2. Click on update now. Now enter your passcode. Now for example, if you don't see this beta version over here, that means you haven't enrolled in the beta program. So go to your browser right now, go to beta.apple.com, scroll down and click on sign up, and over here sign in with your Apple ID. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Over here choose iOS, scroll down and tap on open beta updates. Now here you'll see an option for opening the beta updates. Make sure to toggle them on, and this will allow you to download 18.1 early. Now once it's done, go back to settings, scroll all the way at the bottom and tap on apps. Now find and click on the phone app. Now scroll down and click on call recording and make sure to toggle this on. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.